Quality Lab Solutions. For decades, particle size analysis has relied on manual calculations, paper records, and time-consuming workflows. But pharmaceutical quality control has evolved. Introducing SmartSieve PRO from Quality Lab Solutions, a next-generation electromagnetic sieve shaker designed specifically for pharmaceutical quality control and research laboratories. Powered by the SmartSieve PRO Intelligent Analysis Platform. The system automatically calculates distribution uniformity metrics, particle size distribution curves, D10, D50 and D90 values, transforming sieve analysis from a manual process into intelligent automation. Designed to support full 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Every action is recorded, every result electronically signed, and every change secured within a tamper-evident audit trail. With LAN and USB connectivity, seamless LIMS integration, balance interfacing, and one-click report generation. From pharmaceutical APIs and excipients to nutraceuticals and specialty chemicals, SmartSieve PRO delivers precise, repeatable, and fully traceable particle size analysis. SmartSieve PRO, where precision meets intelligent compliance. Get started today with Quality Lab Solutions.